Want to fix blurry Canva images? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix your blurry images in Canva. Now let's get started.
Sometimes you may face a challenge that almost every business owner runs into at some point. You create this gorgeous graphic, it looks crystal clear inside the design editor, and then you download it, upload it to social media or your email newsletter, and suddenly it becomes blurry. If that's happened to you, don't worry, you didn't do anything wrong. And the good news, there's a simple action plan you can follow to fix it. Let's walk through the steps together. First, check your dimensions. When you're designing in Canva, you want to make sure your document size matches the exact platform you're posting to, because every platform has different size requirements. An Instagram feed post is different from an Instagram story. A Facebook post is different from a Pinterest pin, and they're all different from a website feature image. So if your design is blurry, go up to File and double check your document size. If it is correct, great, move on to the next step. If it's not, then you have to resize it. If you're using Canva Pro, you can use the resize tool to quickly resize your design without starting over. Here you have the social media section where you have templates for almost every kind of social media platform. But if you don't find the size you are looking for, come back and click on custom size. Now you can set a custom width and height for your design. Next, check your download format. When you go to share, then to the download section, always choose the file type as PNG instead of JPG, especially if your design includes text, logos or transparent element. PNGs maintain higher quality and sharper edges. JPGs tend to compress more, which can soften things and make text look fuzzy. So always choose PNG for image download. Now let's talk about your images. If you're using photos in your design like this one, make sure they're high resolution to begin with, because if the photo you uploaded to Canva is already small or blurry, no download setting in the world is going to fix that. So start with strong, high quality images. That alone solves a lot of issues. And finally, this is the trick most people don't know. Sometimes platforms like Facebook and Instagram compress your images when you upload them. And yes, it's frustrating, but you can outsmart the compression. Go to the download section again. Now instead of downloading your design at its intended size, download it at 2x the size. This will double the resolution from the original size. That higher resolution helps preserve clarity after the platform compresses it. And if 2x doesn't work, try 3x. That's actually what I do for my email header images. And it makes a noticeable difference. But the problem is that you can do this precisely in the Pro version of Canva. In the basic version, you need to do it using the slider manually. And that's it. If you follow the steps correctly, it should fix your blurry Canva images.